April is also Earth Month, and there's so many ways we can do our part to help take care of Mother Earth. Anna met up with Simone Maloz to learn more about her organization's mission.
Simone, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. So there's more and more buzz about nature-based solutions, especially around Earth Day. Can you tell us about all of that?
Yes, Earth Day is just a wonderful opportunity for us to stop and take in all that nature has to offer around us. It's also given us this other opportunity to talk about nature-based solutions. And really what nature-based solutions are using nature to solve problems. So, for example, on the other side of the Gulf Coast in Louisiana, where I live and work, we use the Mississippi River to help us. So the Mississippi River carries fresh water and sediment, and sediment's really just a fancy name for dirt. We use that water and sediment to help refuel and rebuild our coastal wetlands. And in turn, those coastal wetlands help protect our communities from hurricanes and from rising seas. So that's just an example very specific to where I live about how we're using nature to help better protect our communities.
How can we protect nature and vice versa? How can nature protect us?
Yes, that's so well said about how on Earth Day, a lot of times we think about how we can best protect nature, but we often want to talk about how nature can protect us. And we are kindred spirits between Louisiana and Florida, talking about how we can better weather hurricanes, how we can recover from those, how we can use nature around us. But I do want to talk about a little bit of other issue, like in agricultural communities where farmers are using a practice called cover crops. Cover crops are something that's grown, it's like rye or oats, and it's grown in between primary crops or in the off season. And those crops are helping to prevent soil erosion. So they're keeping that dirt in the ground, but they're also keeping nutrients in the ground. And sometimes those nutrients can enter the water area and then become pollution. And so what we're trying to do is use that practice of cover crops, which is really rooted in nature. So really these nature-based solutions are very specific to the area that you live in.
What is a resilient community?
Again, something that Louisiana and Florida know quite a bit about, but really resilient communities are those communities that are taking into account impacts to their future, mostly because of climate change or climate impacts. And so communities that are thinking about their future and thinking about how they can better weather storms or how they can more quickly recover from hurricanes, we see how they can become more resilient. And those communities are often including nature-based solutions. And so they're taking what's around them, thinking about what happened in their past, but really, more importantly, planning for their future and how they can use nature on their side to become more resilient.
All your information has been extremely valuable. And now where can viewers and listeners get more information?
You can learn more about our work in coastal Louisiana at restorethemississippiRiverDelta.org, which you can learn about some of these nature-based solutions that are happening all across the country at waltonfamilyfoundation.org/nature.
Excellent. Well, thank you, Simone, for joining us
Thank
here on
you.
ISF.